Hi, this is Triveni, working as assistant professor in Chebrolu Engineering College in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. So in today's session, I'm going to explain you about some basic ICs. Okay, so in previous session, we already discussed about basic gates. Those are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and universal gates, NAND and NOR, and some special gates, exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gates. So these all logic gates are available in IC form. So first, what is IC? IC is nothing but an integrated circuit in which all the components are fabricated on a single piece of semiconductor material. That is nothing but an IC. Okay, so these ICs are available in different packages. Okay, but in this session what we are going to discuss about some ICs. So those are belongs to logic gates, means AND gate IC, OR gate, NOT gate, and NAND gate, NOR gate, and exclusive OR gate. So these all ICs are available in dual inline package form. So all gates are having 14 pins. See here 7400. So 7400 is a NAND gate IC. That is, see here we have 4 NAND gates here. So that's why it is called quad 2 input NAND gate. So 7400 IC is quad 2 input NAND gate. See here, every IC should have a ground terminal and a supply voltage and a supply. Okay, so here, see here, 7th pin is ground and 14th pin is supply, VCC. Okay, and next, so see, this is 2 input NAND gate, means every NAND gate have 2 inputs and 1 output. 2 inputs and 1 output. See here, first two pins are 2 input pins, and third pin is output pin. And similar way, 4 to 5 is, these 2 pins are input pins and 6th pin is output pin. Okay, if we give inputs to these 2 pins, first pin and second pin, we have to take output at third pin. In similar way, if we give inputs at 4th pin and 5th pin, we have to take output at 6th pin. Okay, so here 7400 is nothing but, so what is 7400 is quad 2 input NAND gate. Okay, and next 7402. So 7402 is quad 2 input NOR gate. Okay, so these it is also a 14 pin dual inline package. And 7th pin is, we have ground, and 14th pin is supply. See here, this is quite different from compared to 7400. See here, first pin is output pin. And remain next to 2 pins are input pins. If we give inputs to the second pin and third pin, we have to take output at first pin. If we give inputs to 5th pin and 6th pin, we have to take the output at 4th pin. Okay, so that is quite different from 7400 compared to 7400. Okay, so here first pin is output and second pin and third pin are inputs. So 7402 is quad 2 input NOR gate. So this package is called dual inline package. And next to 7404. So 7404 is a NOT gate IC or inverter gate IC. Okay, see here in this diagram, this is also a 14 pin dual inline package. So 14 pin dual inline package. See here, for inverter or for NOT gate, we have only one input and one output. See here, we have 6 NOT gates in this IC. And 7th pin is ground and 14th pin is supply. Okay, so this is also similar to 7400. First pin is input and second pin is output. In similar way, third pin is input and fourth pin is output. Okay, so 7404 is one input NOT gate. So it contains 6 NOT gates. 6 NOT gates. 7404 is. Okay, so in this IC we have 6 inverter gates. For inverter we have only one input and one output. That is 7404. And next 7408. So 7408 is an AND gate IC. 7408 is an AND gate IC. It performs AND operation. It performs AND operation. So this is also quad 2 input AND gate. Quad 2 input AND gate. See here, 7th pin is supply. So 7th pin is ground and 14th pin is supply. 14th pin is supply. Okay. So for quad 2 input AND gate, see here, if we give input at first pin and second pin, we have to take the output at third pin. So it performs AND operation. It performs AND operation. So 7408 is quad 2 input AND gate. Quad 2 input AND gate. And next 7432. 7432. So 7432 is quad 2 input OR gate. Quad 2 input OR gate. See here, first two pins are input pins and third pin is output pin. And 7th pin is ground and 14th pin is supply. Okay. See here, 10th pin, 9th pin are inputs and 8th pin is output. So you have to learn this internal diagram. Okay, so you have to know each function, each pin function. So which one is input and which one is output. So this is 7432. 7432 is quad 2 input OR gate. It performs OR operation. So each OR gate we have 2 inputs and one output and one output. Okay, and next 7486. Okay, so 7486 is a quad 2 input exclusive OR gate. It performs XOR operation. So it is also available in dual inline package and it also have 14 inputs. 14 inputs. So this is quad 2 input exclusive OR gate. 2 input exclusive OR gate. Okay, see here, first two pins are input pins and third pin is output pin. Fourth to fifth are input pins and sixth pin is output pin. In similar way, 7th pin is ground and 14th pin is supply. 14th pin is supply. See here, 8th pin is output, 9 and 10 are inputs. So this is 7486. This is quad 2 input exclusive OR gate. It performs XOR operation for the given inputs. XOR operation for the given inputs. Okay, so this is all about ICs and corresponding pin diagram. Okay, so 7400 is, what is 7400? Quad 2 input NAND gate. 7402 is quad 2 input NOR gate. 7404 is NOT gate. We have 6 inverters in this diagram, in this pin diagram. And next 7408 is quad 2 input AND gate. 7408 is quad 2 input AND gate. Next 7432 is quad 2 input OR gate. Quad 2 input OR gate. And 7486 is quad 2 input XOR gate. 2 input XOR gate. So you have to learn these pin diagrams and internal structure. Okay, so this is all about basic gates and universal gates and special gates, function of ICs.